Hyaluronic acid for younger, smoother skin. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring carbohydrate that is found throughout the human body. Its appearance is that of viscous gel, and it is one of the most highly researched substances in today's medicine. There are thousands of trials that are carried out in the fields of eye surgery and orthopedics. It has a number of functions in the body, some of which are to bind water, lubricate the movable parts of the body such as muscles and joints, and to maintain the elasticity of the skin. Because hyaluronic acid is one of the most hydrophilic molecules in nature, it is sometimes referred to as nature's moisturizer. The presence of hyaluronic acid in almost every tissue of the body means that its importance cannot be underestimated. Retention of water, for instance, is one of the most important biological functions of hyaluronic acid. Even more important is the fact that it assists in providing nutrients to the body cells and the removal of waste from the same, which is especially important for cells that are not fed by a direct blood supply, such as cartilage cells. Some other places where hyaluronic acid is found include the vitreous humor of the eye, blood vessels, the umbilical cord, extracellular matrix, and the cartilage. Your joints are surrounded by the synovial membrane that forms a capsule around the bone ends. The synovial membrane produces synovial fluid that is found in the joint cavities, which act as a lubricant, nutrient carrier, and shock absorber, thus protecting the joints and bones from damage that may result from external forces. Cartilage, a fibrous connective tissue, is completely covered with this fluid. Since cartilage contains no blood vessels, the synovial fluid is the only way for nutrients to be supplied to the cartilage and for waste to be removed from it. The extracellular matrix is composed of hyaluronic acid combined with elastin and collagens. Large amounts of water are held here, since elastin requires a lot of water to avoid becoming dry, which would lead to your skin looking wrinkled. Without hyaluronic acid, there is not enough water held in the extracellular matrix. As you grow older, there is a decline in the amount of hyaluronic acid that is produced in the body. This is the reason why, as you grow older, your skin tends to be less elastic, and there is thinning, aging, and decreased moisture in the skin. Hyaluronic acid, alternative sources. The reduction in the production of HA in the body has necessitated that alternatives be sought for naturally occurring hyaluronic acid for the human body. For instance, hyaluronic acid is derived from rooster combs, or in other cases, it is manufactured in the laboratory for medicinal purposes. One of the medical uses of hyaluronic acid is in the treatment of various joint disorders, which include knee osteoarthritis. The treatment can be taken orally, or a medical professional can inject it directly into the affected area. It is believed that the efficacy of an injection is stronger than when treatment is taken orally. The FDA has also approved the use of hyaluronic acid during certain eye surgeries, including cataract removal, repair of detached retina, corneal transplantation, and other injuries to the eye. Another instance where HA is used in the medical field is in plastic surgery, where it is used as a lip filler. Hyaluronic acid is also commonly used by many people as a moisturizer to heal wounds, skin ulcers, and burns by applying it to the skin. However, one of the most popular uses of hyaluronic acid is to prevent the effects of aging, where HA is even known as a fountain of youth. There are a number of options that you can go for when you want to use hyaluronic acid to counteract the effects of aging. One of them is to use HA creams, which have become very popular in the world of beauty products. The purpose of such creams is to make up for the reduced production of hyaluronic acid in your body. Such a cream is also meant to act as a stimulator of the generation of collagen. This is a safer alternative to skincare products that use chemicals that may harm your skin in the long term. Another option that you could go for is hyaluronic acid injections. Because of the increased efficacy when hyaluronic acid is taken through injections, you could also opt for this solution. This treatment is meant to improve the contour of your skin and reduce the depression in your skin that is caused by acne, lines, scars, and injury. However, the downside to having injections, apart from the temporary pain, is that the injection site may become red and swollen. This, however, should disappear within a week. This kind of treatment is usually the last resort, or when the effects of aging have progressed. Yet another alternative would be to take hyaluronic acid supplements orally. These are definitely the simplest form of HA treatment available, and it has been observed that regular intake of the supplements results in healing of wounds as well as better skin moisture. It is therefore important to start using the treatment as soon as you notice that your skin is beginning to experience aging effects. Although it is proven to have lower efficacy than injections, it is a much more convenient method of treatment, especially if the effects of aging are not so serious. Aging is a natural part of life, but with the alternatives that are available today, including hyaluronic acid, there is no need to let your age show on your skin. However, it is also important to be careful about what you use, as there are products that contain unnatural ingredients whose long-term effects on your skin may not be pleasant. However, this does not mean that there are no good skincare products. One of the most popular products among anti-aging skincare products is Dermalogy Anti-Aging Solution, which contains 100% natural ingredients and is completely safe, bringing the life back to your skin.